Where else is there? Okay, so shall we start fractions 1? Fractions 1, there are 2 lessons in fractions, 2 lessons in decimals, and
Ma'am,
one more in the, yes, Henry, hitting like what happened? So fractions 1 means there are 3 topics in fractions 1. That means, what, Henry, why you took lunch so much? That is why he is very happy. Nodding his head. Can you hear me, Henry? Yes. So in fractions 1, we are having the equivalent fractions, and fractions only. If you are not there in the starting, it will be difficult for you. Ma'am, not understood fractions. Afterwards, you will start. Nothing you will
No, ma'am.
understand if you are not there from the beginning.
No, ma'am.
21. Prajwal joined. So here we have, how will you define what is meant by fraction? Henry, can you tell me how will you, what is meant by fraction?
Did you take the attendance?
Yes, I marked Prajwal, I marked your attendance. Can you tell me what is meant by a fraction?
Did they take
Have you heard about the word?
Ma'am, did you take the attendance?
Who is answering now?
Chris.
Adidev, what is meant by fraction? Can you tell me, give an idea about fraction?
Fractions is defining a shape
Shape?
with different types of degrees.
What is the idea of fraction? Yes, Isra, can you tell me what is an idea about the fractions?
Ma'am, a whole. A part of a whole.
A part of a whole. That is the definition. Okay. Fraction is a part of a whole. Now, if you are telling,
Ma'am, dividing something into equal parts.
yes, dividing something. That means totally there are 2 laddus with you. You gave 1 part to your friend. How many total laddus were there with you?
1, 2.
How many total parts there with you? 2 laddus
One
were there with you, and 1 you gave to your friend. Okay, how much will remain with you?
1.
1 will remain with you. So what is the fraction that you gave to your friend? Can you tell me what is the fraction that you gave to your friend?
1 by 2.
Yes, can you tell me what is the
1 by 2. I was having 2 laddus and I gave 1 laddu to him and I have 1 laddu left.
You are having 1 laddu remaining with you. Okay.
1 by 2. 1 by 2.
Yes, 1 by 2, because the total number of laddus that you are having 2 laddus, and you gave one of the laddus to your friend. So how much will remain now? 1 by 2 is the fraction that you are taking. 1 by 2. Okay, how much will remain with you, Shreya?
1.
1 will remain with you. So the laddus remaining with you is also called, what is the fraction of laddus remaining with you? Is also 1 by 2.
1 by 2.
1 by 2 and 1 by 2. These are the fractions. There are 2 parts for a fraction, and the number at the top one is called, can you tell me the name for the one?
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes.
Numerator and
Yes,
denominator.
numerator. The number which is at the top, then it is called the numerator. 1 is the numerator and 2 is called the denominator. What is the denominator? Is the numerator, and 2 is called the denominator. Okay. So in the fraction, there are 2 parts. First one is called the numerator and the second one is called the denominator. 3 by 4. What is the numerator, Annabelle? 3 by 4.
And
And
3.
the numerator?
3.
3. The denominator?
4.
Called the denominator. Okay. So in a fraction, you can say that the number at the top one is called the numerator and the number at the bottom is called the denominator. Okay. So 3 by 4, 3 is called the numerator and 4 is called the denominator. 7 by 8. Adinath, can you tell me what is the numerator and denominator?
7.
7 by 8. 7 by 8. What is the numerator? 7. And what is the denominator? This one all you are knowing. Okay. So fraction, there are different types of fractions. That one you will study in the next class. What are the different types of fractions? So how, if in the definition part, a fraction is a part of a whole. How will you define the fraction, Devadarshan? Fraction is a part of a whole. Whole number you are taking, that means 2. It is a part of a whole. So how will you define a fraction? Fraction is nothing but it is a part of a whole. 1 by 5 and the number at the top is called the numerator and the number at the bottom is called the denominator. Okay, any doubt? Henry, did you understand? Yes. 8 by 9. What is that numerator, John Daniel? 8 by 9. What is the numerator? 8 is called the numerator. What is the denominator? 9. 9 is called the denominator. Because this one is very important topic. You should revise it properly. Okay. So 8 numerator and denominator. Next one we can go for equivalent fractions. That means some fractions will be equal. Such type of fractions are called the equivalent fractions. And there is one definition also for an equivalent. So how will you define the fraction, Shreya? How will you define a fraction?
Part of a whole.
Part of a whole. And the next one, it is called fraction that denote the same part of a whole are called equivalent fractions. Examples I will tell you. So for example, now 1 by 2 and 2 by 4. 1 by 2 is a fraction. 2 by 4 is a fraction. There are two fractions. Yes. You can say that whether they are equivalent or not. Equivalent. Equivalent means they are equal. How to check the equivalence means, what is the numerator of the first fraction? Dia, what is the numerator of first fraction?
4 by 8 of the fraction.
What is the numerator of first fraction?
4 by 8.
What is the denominator of second fraction?
To multiply.
1 into 4. What is 1 into 4? Who is sitting here? Anupama. What is 1 into 4?
4.
4. Then you can multiply 2 into 2. What is 2 into 2? Just
2 into 4.
Are they same or different?
Same.
Here also you got 4. Here also you got 4. Both are same. Therefore, you can say
Question
that
is different, but
these
answer is
fractions
same.
are-
Question is different, but answer is same.
yes, answer is same. But this type of fractions are called the equivalent fraction. Okay, how to check the equivalence of two fractions? Multiply numerator of
Multiply
the first
numerator
fraction
and
with
denominator.
the denominator of second fraction. Here also denominator of the first fraction to the numerator of the first fraction. They are equivalent fractions because the values are same. Is it clear? So when will you say that the two fractions are equivalent that denote the same part of a whole are called the equivalent fractions. Okay, so and this method of multiplying is called the cross multiplication. What it is called? It is the method of
cross multiplication because it's forming a cross when it's
cross
connecting to
multiplication.
it.
Cross multiplication is also plays an important role in future. Cross multiplication. Numerator of the first fraction with the denominator of the second fraction. Denominator of the first fraction with the numerator. You are multiplying crosswise. So it is called the cross multiplication. Okay. Is it okay now? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. One more example I will give you. You can check it now. How to check whether they are equivalent or not? Can you tell me the steps now? Who is there? Rohit, can you tell me the steps here? What you will do? Rohit and Maria? Yes. Anselin? Anselin is there? Yes, Arfan. Yes, Arfan, you can say now. What you will do there?
3 into 8.
Yes, very good. 3 into 8. 3 into 8 are fun.
3 into 8.
What is 3 into 8?
24. 24.
24. Next step, what you will do?
4
4.
into 6. 4
What is 4 into 6?
4 into 6.
That is also 24. Are they same or different? Same. So what you can say, the fractions are equivalent. The fractions are equivalent. Okay. Another example I will give you. You can see now. Yes, Anne Maria, can you tell me how will you write it now? Anne Maria.
Ma'am, can I say Prajwal? Ma'am, can I say Prajwal?
Yes, Prajwal, you can say now.
Yes, ma'am. 3 into 5.
2 into 6
3 into 5.
is 12. Yes.
And 3 into 5.
3 into 5
And 3
is
into
equal
5.
to 15. Are they equivalent?
No.
No, they are not equivalent because these values are not same. Therefore, they are not equivalent. Yes, Adinath, any doubt? Yes. Any doubt, Adinath?
No, ma'am.
No doubt. Did you understand? So we can write some definitions.
I have doubt. I have doubt.
Yes, tell me.
If it comes same as 12 and 12, it's
Yes, 1 minute, 1 minute. I am coming to that. I will open this and
And this we want to write in paper.
yes, you have to write in your class notes now. This problem is not necessary. Yes, who asked the doubt? What is your doubt? Yes, Shivadhyan.
If it is equal, it is called an student fraction, right?
Adinath, what he is telling, I cannot hear him properly.
Mama, I also can't hear him.
Can you hear?
No, ma'am. It is 12. It is same.
Yes, Henry, what are you doing? Are you understanding? Yes, Joseph Nihal, what he told?
Which question are we currently?
Yes,
Which question?
chapter 9, fractions 1. We are going to do it. Chapter 9, fractions 1. You can write. Chapter 9.
I'm in class.
Workbook in class notes.
Oh,
Fractions 1.
not in workbook.
Workbook is still after finishing these definitions, we can go for workbook. Chapter 9.
Ma'am, definition we need to write.
Yes, definition also you write it. Chapter 9, fractions.
I'm finished. Ma'am, what is that? I4?
Yes, anyone is having doubt?
No,
The Roman
ma'am.
number.
Ma'am,
The Roman number.
ma'am, I didn't write yet.
Yes.
And can I see the next one?
No, ma'am.
Yes, yes, wait,
I'm
wait.
still writing. I'm still writing.
Ma'am, we need to write the heading like that definition. Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, tell me.
Can it go next one?
Yes, wait, wait.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Can
I'm still writing.
See what you are writing there. Yeah, we need to write.
How many of you are writing now? Still writing?
Adidev.
Yes, Adidev.
I'm taking the writing.
Ma'am, I'm almost done.
Ma'am, can you show the next one?
Yes,
No,
yes,
ma'am.
still some are writing. Wait, wait.
Ma'am, this is very small.
Okay, ma'am. Now I finished.
Who should complete now? All of you completed, I think. Chapter 9,
Yes, ma'am.
fractions 1. And next one, you can go for the definitions. First one you write. This is the definition. A fraction is a part of a whole. Part of whole. Number at the top is called numerator. Number which is down is called denominator.
Called numerator. Which?
Mama, I finished.
No,
Finish.
ma'am. Ma'am, I'm writing the third definition.
Yes, yes, you can write it.
Called denominator.
Somebody there? Who unmuted?
I'm answering.
Adidev unmuted. Somebody unmuted and making lot of sound. Devadarshan, please mute.
Ma'am,
Finish. Can you show the next slide? No, ma'am. No, ma'am. I'm
A fraction is a
writing the
part
third
of a whole. Number at the top is called numerator. Number which is
down is called denominator.
is called denominator. Tell your names. Raise your hand.
Mama, I think the last one.
Who is writing still? Okay, Arfan is writing. Okay, Arfan.
One finish. Mama, I will finish, ma'am. Can you show the next one? No, ma'am, wait.
ma'am, next one.
Ma'am, finish.
Equivalent fractions.
Okay, equivalent.
Here also Q is there. Q.
Ma'am, I cannot see the board.
Who
I
cannot
can
see
see,
the
ma'am.
board?
Well,
Yes, once again I will share it. You can see now. Equivalent fractions.
and now
Equivalent fractions. Fractions that denote the same part of a whole are called equivalent fractions.
Ma'am, can you show the before? No, ma'am. Can you show the before one? No, ma'am.
No need of writing afterwards. Now only you can complete the notes. Whatever I am sending in class group, it is for those who are absent.
Ma'am, can you show the before slide?
Yes, 1 minute.
Ma'am, I finished.
Can you next slide?
Can you show the next slide?
Wait, 1 minute, 1 minute.
Can you show the next?
1 minute.
Ma'am, can you show the third one?
Ma'am, can you show the fourth one? Can you show the next one?
Next. Equivalent fractions.
Who should complete equivalent fractions? Who did not complete equivalent fractions? All of them come. Yes, yes, will not come. Okay.
Ma'am, I need to complete the fourth slide.
Can you show the next slide?
Yes, wait. Let them complete now.
Ma'am, I need to see the.
Who is talking?
Can you mute everyone?
Who is talking there still?
Ma'am, Adidev also. Adidev.
Adinath, please mute. Arfan, please mute.
First mute. Uncompleted.
Equivalent fractions. Who did not complete your still? You can raise your hands.
And Maria has some net issue.
And Maria is having network issue.
So many just
Next one you write cross multiplication.
Can you show the previous slide?
Who is writing still?
Ma'am, Dia.
Maria.
Dia is writing. Okay, Dia, you can see now. Equivalent fractions.
Ma'am, can you show the next one? Ma'am,
Yes, cross multiplication. Dia completed now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, cross multiplication you write. Abel, are you writing, Abel? What is meant by cross multiplication?
ma'am, I cannot see cross multiplication.
Who is writing still?
Ma'am, now I can see.
Now you can see.
Ma'am, I'll finish. Ma'am, I'll finish.
Completed?
Yes. Now what I'll do?
Yeah.
Okay, completed.
No, ma'am.
Still who is writing?
Ma'am, completed. Adidev.
Adidev.
Is all time slow. That was right. He is like fighting, but still. And complete.
Completed.
Ma'am, can you show the next slide? I'm completed.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am,
Shall we go to the next one?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Completed.
Examples you write. For only first question you write it.
Ma'am, some students are not completed.
Who did not complete?
Ma'am, Dia.
Dia not completed. Yes, Dia.
Jasmine.
Jaswin, you can complete.
Ma'am, in the examples, we need only write one question.
Yes?
Ma'am, can you show the example 1 minute?
Yes, yes. 1 minute.
In the examples, we need to write.
Dia and Jaswin, did you complete?
Ma'am, can you show the examples?
Wait, wait, wait. Some are writing still.
Ma'am, can you show the examples? Then you show this.
1 minute, 1 minute. Let them show it. Let
Ma'am,
them write. Examples.
Ma'am, we need to only write one question.
First question you copy it. Then I will explain to you afterwards. You can write the solution. Check whether the following fractions are equivalent or not. Only first question you copy down. 3 by 5 and 9 by 15.
or no, it is 3 by 5 and 9 by 15. చెయ్యదు.
Ma'am, finish.
Finished.
Ma'am, we have to write check whether the following fractions are.
Please don't be absent for these fractions 1 and 2 because it is very important topic.
Ma'am, we should write check whether the following.
Only first example. First example, all of you copy it.
No, ma'am. Can you show? No, ma'am. Can you show? I only write. Can you show?
Ma'am, we should write the sentence also.
Ah, yes. Examples. Only first question you write. Check whether the following fractions are equivalent or not. 3 by 5 and 9 by 15.
Ma'am, can you? Ma'am, finish the first. I copied. And then write all the fractions.
Only one. Only first question you write it.
And finish.
Shreya, how will you find out whether they are equivalent or not?
First we need to do 15 into 3.
Yes, first one, these are the two fractions. So 3 into 15. What is 3 into 15? 15 into 3.
35.
45. Not 35, 45. 5 into 9. What is 5 into 9?
45.
45. Are they same or different?
Same.
I also finished the answer.
Same.
Same or different? Both are same. Therefore, they are equivalent. Because 3 into 15 is 45. 5 into 9 is also 45. Therefore, you can say that they are equivalent.
Should we tick on the 3 and 5 and 9?
Yes, I will show the steps here. Steps are here. Solution, first one. 3 into 15. Yes,
This.
you have to write this. This is the
Only write
solution
the
for
first
first
one.
one.
And we should only write the first one.
Only write the first one. Then second question you copy, then you write the answer for second question.
Ma'am, can you show the examples?
Examples, I will come to that now. This is the solution for it.
Ma'am, finish.
I will
No,
come.
ma'am. Ma'am, finish. Ma'am, only one question you need to write.
Only first question you copy. All of you copied the first question and solution. Then we can go for the second question.
Ma'am, can you show the solution?
Second question is 1 by 3 and 2 by 6. Copy the second question and you find out the solution for it.
Ma'am, finish. Can you
Finish.
show the solution?
So how will you find out 1 by 3, 2 by 6? 1 into 6 is equal to 6. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Are they equal?
Yes.
Yes, they are equal. Therefore, the fractions are equivalent. Copied the question, second question, all of you copied?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can go for the solution.
Ma'am, can you show the next one?
This is the second solution, second one.
Ma'am, can you show the next one? In the
1 into 6.
Ma'am, can you show the previous one? I will write it. Ma'am.
Answer for the second question. 1 into 6 is equal to 6. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. They are same.
Ma'am, can you show the previous one?
Yes, yes, I will come to that. Did you copy the?
They are equal.
Yes, they are same.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, I didn't copy the second question solution.
Ma'am,
can you show We can go for the next question, third question now.
Can you show the solution? Okay. Ma'am, it's right. Okay.
1 by 4. Third question is 1 by 4 and 2 by 10.
Ma'am, can you show the next one? I write it.
Yes, 1 by 4.
Ma'am,
10.
we need to write the third question. 2 by 10. Okay, ma'am.
Same?
No. They are not same.
They are not same, therefore they are not equivalent.
same.
Third one is not equivalent. First two are equivalent.
Or is also.
You want to see the solution for it?
Yes.
1 into 10. This is the third answer. 1 into 10 is equal to 10 and 4 into 2 is equal to 8.
1 into 6 also.
Yes.
1 into
You
6
have to write the solution for it.
4.
They are not same.
I need to write all.
Ma'am,
did you take the attendance?
yes, I finished attendance.
Ma'am, time is up.
No, 2 more minutes.
Ma'am, finish.
Finished.
54.
Fourth question.
Can you
3 by 9 and 9 by 18. 3 into 18 is 54. Are they same or different? They are different. So fourth one is also not an equivalent fraction.
Ma'am, time is up.
Ma'am, can you show the solutions?
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you answer? Time is up.
Yes,
One
yes,
more
one more
minute,
minute.
No, ma'am, time is up. Finished.
Finished.
81.
Two problems are not same. Third and fourth are not same. Fifth one, they are same.
I'm finished.
Yes, you can copy the fifth question now.
Ma'am,
5 by 4.
can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, the one in the next, ma'am, you give the first one, right? That we need to write all.
Ma'am, can you show the examples one more time?
To write the all first.
No, first copy the question, then you write the solution for it.
Time is up. Can you show the answer
Yes.
of the fifth one? 3 o'clock. Can you show
Please write. 5 into 16 is equal to 80. They are not same.
You can show. Solution. Ma'am, time is up.
This is the fifth one. Yes, I know it. Who is telling that?
Ma'am, finish. No, ma'am, Henry. Ma'am, finish. Jewel. No, ma'am, I am not saying Henry saying.
Henry is saying. Henry.
Yes, ma'am, Henry saying. I'm finished.
Finished. So these are the problems to check. Tomorrow you should learn and come. I will ask you the questions.
Once more, I am writing
the
the
last.
Yes.
Can you show the solutions one more time?
Writing there.
Finished.
Finished. Okay, so shall I wind up now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bye bye. See you in the next class.